Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dimpli Sharma, Marketing Manager for Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited. So today we will discuss about BIS registration for EC grade aluminium rod produced by continuous casting and rolling as per IS 5484. Let us start with understanding what is BIS. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards, which is a government department and comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, which is responsible for issuing ISI mark license that is applicable only on manufacturers, both domestic and foreign. Coming back to EC grade aluminium rod produced by continuous casting and rolling, the QC was issued by DPIIT on 22nd of March 2024 that mandates ISI mark on EC grade aluminium rod produced by continuous casting and rolling. From 26th of September 2024 for medium and large industries, from 26th of December 2024 for small industries, and from 26th of March 2025 for micro units. Before taking the ISI license, the manufacturer needs to set up in-house laboratory. Also, the government provides 50% discount to small-scale units and 80% discount to micro units. As a leading consultancy in India since 1997, Global Solutions specializes in BIS license facilitation for both Indian and foreign manufacturers with a wealth of experience aiding over 1,000 clients. We offer end-to-end solutions from setting up in-house laboratories to obtaining licenses and managing post-compliance requirements. Our commitment lies in providing a holistic service all under one roof. For more queries, please reach us out at the number and email ID displayed on your screens. Thank you.